that, I'm back already. Right where I left off. Thanks. I hope I got that on camera. There's a guy giving me a thumbs up with like the face you make when like you hear a beat for the first time and it really slaps and you make that face. That's the one face you had on. Like when you see a really nice car and it, damn, you know, that one. I hope I got it on video. It might have been too far in my peripheral. I don't know how much battery I have left on the GoPro. Probably should have checked that. Because I did charge it before I went riding with Hector, but I don't think I let it fully charge just because I figured, oh, that'll be good enough. I mean, it has only been like 40 minutes though, so I saw what time it was in the little intermission, the whole 2 minutes. But yeah, it's only like 5:45, so I haven't been riding long. But evening on this road that I'm going on is usually when all the fun shit happens, so I'm gonna go there again and try it out. Haven't done it in a while. Well, actually I did in the wreck video. The video where I saw the wreck, which still has yet to be uploaded or even made. So I'm speaking in the future, I guess that'd be. I think that should be the video right before this if I post them in order. It'd be the wreck I saw and then this video. I like just fucking with people in traffic. Like blowing kisses and waving at them, stuff like that. It's fun. Because they always look so like they don't know how to react. They're either like super confused, they laugh, like they look freaked out. You never know what you're gonna get. It's always really fun, especially to do with guys. Like just fuck with guys when I'm doing stuff like that. Ah, it's the best. I just love fucking with guys. These two girls, I can't really wave at them and mess with them. It's not as fun. Then they just think you're creepy, or that you're like legitimately trying to flirt when I'm not. Trying to get lats so big that I can just flex them and it'll work as like a parachute to slow me down, so I don't have to brake, you know. I can just use my lats, enough wind resistance. Hey, so it looks like talking to women. What's this on the road? I kind of want to try to pick it up. This red thingy. It looks solid, so I'm not gonna. Yeah, that looks like a metal box of some sort. Good thing I didn't try it. That would have hurt. If it was like a shirt or a bag or something, I could have grabbed it, but I'm not that. I broke my wrist. Just kidding. You see these St. John's? Just kidding. Oh, another box. I'm gonna pull those people over for littering. I'm gonna find out who did it. What the fuck? A bunch of smoke come from somewhere. Said, oh Lord Jesus, it's a fire. God damn! Fuck! Oh, this took a big ass fly right to the bicep. Right on the skin. Damn! Probably the hardest thing that bug's ever hit. Just kidding. They're tiny. Gotta have pretty shit luck to hit something that small. Now you guys can see what I look like. There's a reveal. Still not gonna see my face though, but damn, I look tiny. Because I am. I want to find people to fuck with. Who's in this? An old dude. An old couple, actually. What about you? judging by the hazard lights, it's not a cop. But it's better safe to act like it is. It's better safe. Yep, I just said that. It's better safe. Better to be safe than act like it is. It is a Ford. It's a Ford, so it could be. Oh, that's not. Goodbye. Well, we got people in the back seat of this one. They're the most fun to fuck with. Oh. Okay. Get out of here. I would appreciate it if this car moved over. Like that. Thank you. I want to catch up to that Mustang. So that light better turn green. Like, time now. Thank you. Damn it, that Mustang can't race because there's a car, a Jeep in front of it. This guy doesn't want to race. Damn it. I'll go to McDonald's and order a McBitch just for you. I can't do it. If I get hit with another motherfucking bug, dude, I just took like 4 in a row. They sting, dude. Well, that was rather unfortunate because I didn't really get much to happen. I was hoping something cool would, but I guess not. I'm probably going to go ahead and give the bike a break. And say that I'm going to go do schoolwork and then go home and not actually do it. Because I don't have motivation. So I'll mention it, but I'm not actually going to. I hope you liked the video. If you do, please like and sub. I'm not going to ask that much because I think it's just annoying. So maybe occasionally I'll just do a real brief like that, but if you think it deserves that, then please feel free to do so. Appreciate the support and everyone watching. Welcome to any new subs, and while I'm wrapping it up, not even done riding yet. I still got like 10 minutes. Oh, my wallet almost fell out. I should probably slow down. You almost witnessed me die right there because I wasn't paying attention. But I am now, so as I was saying, where was I? Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Gotta show off for the kids. Sorry to the bus driver if that was alarming. I was showing off for the kids. Get your leg off the window, you silly goose. You're gonna get hurt. It's not who I thought that was. That is awkward. Alright. I'm gonna pretend that didn't happen. I can no longer see. Oh shit. I knew I saw someone walking. I thought it was a person. So I fucking... It's still there? Hello. Okay, now the video's over. Goodbye.